How to adjust your GAN 356M. You definitely first have to take out the box, and you're not gonna need any adjustment tools because this cube is hand adjustable, so don't worry about that. So now that you have the cube, you have to take out every center cap. Now that you're done doing that, you have to move the gear clockwise and put it on whatever setting you want, either 0.6 or 0.8. Both of the settings are really good, but I recommend the tightest setting, which I believe is 0.6. But if you want a better corner cutting, you can choose the setting 0.8. But in my opinion, I think it's too loose, and it also is sometimes hard to control. But both of the settings have pros and cons. Like the tightest setting doesn't have the best corner cutting, and it also locks up much more than the loosest setting. And now that I take into consideration, the loosest setting might be better for you, but it depends what kind of turning style you have. Now that you know which setting is best for you, you can go ahead and adjust all the gears. But make sure you adjust all of them, because if you just adjust one, it's gonna be unequal. I made this video with the purpose of teaching you how to adjust the 356M, because there's no instructions on how to adjust it. And not only that, but there's also no instructions on which setting is tightest or loosest. So that's why I made this video. Thank you for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And before you go, I want to say that God is always going to be with you in the good and bad times, so never be scared. Thanks for watching.